Welcome to use Office 365 on the web. In a web browser, go to https://www.office.com and click Sign In. Enter your full college email address and click Next. Enter your password and click Sign In. If you are off campus, you may need to authenticate your account before seeing this screen. Select your option below. Click the App Launcher, the square of 9 circles towards the upper left. Excel. Click on Excel to create a spreadsheet. Click Create Blank Workbook to start a new file. Save your file name by clicking in the upper left corner on